Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on OnePlus Pad 2. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now you have to select this application and click install. Now click open and then click on agree and continue. Now I can close this ad. Then click on allow and click on consent. Then you have to click on this button to start your VPN and click on allow. Now click on retry to connect. Now we can close this ad. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.